Hello, I am Arun Prasad Acharya from Telecommunications. I study at Centurion University of Technology and Management, Bhubaneswar, and I got placed at Axis Bank. The placement of this college is really good. The teachers are highly qualified. They gave their 100%, and our college study curriculum also provides best skills like communication skills, leadership skills and more. Centurion offers the maximum placement among all private colleges in Odisha. Most of the students get placed every year. This year, almost 90% students got placed in various MNCs. Our college is also supportive towards students. They provide counseling to the final year students so they can be confident when they are giving interviews. Thank you, Centurion, for helping us improve our talents and sustain our goals.